In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books for accounting. If you're new to Zoho Books or simply exploring its capabilities to manage your business finances, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. This is where you'll be setting up your account and getting to know this powerful accounting tool. Once you're on the website, look for the sign up option. Clicking here allows you to create a new account, and the best part is you can start with a free 14-day trial. This trial gives you a taste of Zoho Books' features without any commitment. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Provide your company name, your email, a secure password, and select your country. This step is crucial as it sets up the foundational details of your account, tailored to your business needs. Once you have filled out your details, go ahead and log into your new account using either your email address or your mobile number along with your password. Welcome to Zoho Books. You should now see your dashboard. Take a moment to explore your dashboard. The dashboard offers a comprehensive overview of your financial situation, displaying important metrics such as income, expenses, and account balances. It's an incredibly user-friendly interface designed to provide insights at a glance. Once you're familiar with the dashboard, let's dive into managing sales. Zoho Books allows you to effortlessly handle your sales operations, from customer interactions to generating invoices. This tool is particularly efficient in streamlining your customer transactions. Now let's focus on managing purchases. Tracking your expenses and vendor details through Zoho Books will help you maintain healthy supplier relationships and stay on top of your financial commitments. Managing your items is the next important step. This feature helps you keep an inventory of your products and services, ensuring that you always have the necessary items on hand to fulfill customer orders. To further streamline your accounting process, be sure to connect your bank account. This integration allows for automatic bank feeds directly into Zoho Books, minimizing manual entry and potential errors. Creating invoices and processing payments is straightforward with Zoho Books. Utilize these tools to custom design invoices and speed up your payment procedures, thereby improving cash flow. Let's not forget about managing expenses. Zoho Books makes it easy to attach receipts, categorize expenditures, and maintain a detailed record of all outgoing payments. Finally, you'll want to generate reports. Generating reports in Zoho Books is an effective way to analyze your business performance. You can view a variety of reports tailored to your needs, such as balance sheets or profit and loss statements, providing a valuable perspective on your financial health. And there you have it, a quick guide to using Zoho Books for your accounting needs. With these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently managing your business finances. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting.